To what do I owe the pleasure?
Don't mind me. I was just passing by from my visit to a certain Earl of Wellington.
You're lying. Wellington is a man of integrity. He would never have extended you an invitation.
Oh, is that so? Then how would I have come into the possession of this grand pocket watch? He was disposing of this unwanted gift. Therefore, he held no remorse in passing it into my hand.
That's ludicrous. You're a common thief and nothing more.
You're more than welcome to ask him for yourself if you so wish. I mean, this watch holds no sentimental value to you, does it?
Of course not.
Strange. It does, however, hold a striking resemblance to the very watch that was stolen from your husband.
I'm no expert, my dear.
So you wouldn't object to me raising the question to the Duke, then?
Do as you please, Miss Crawford. But be sure, I know what you're up to.
And that is?
Petty revenge. I married the one true love of your life.
Do go on.
And the only manner of dealing with the hurt and sorrow that was brought you is this feeble attempt at deconstructing my world.
I'm deeply sorry to have thrown you into such a state of uncertainty, but I have never heard such a ridiculous accusation.
Oh. Then I am so very sorry if my allegations are false.
Do not let it concern you. I, however, can inform you of some very concrete allegations, if you care to hear.
Please.
You see, I know that the Duke of Cornwall's fall was no accident. No, it was nothing but an irrational attempt to kill him off to gain ownership of his estate.
It seems you have me all figured out, Miss Crawford. How wrong I was about you. Would you mind if I gave the watch to him myself? I think it best the Duke heard it from me. It's the least he deserves.
Of course. What are you doing?
The real watch is of much greater strength.